Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sally Brown from Peanuts. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw kind of like a backward C, but a little bit straightened out. So I'm going to start about right here. And we're going to come down and bring it in. There, just something like that. Okay, so then now that we have the nose in, let's come to the sides. About right here, we're going to draw a circle with the eye right next to the nose, and I'll come right here with a highlight and shade everything else in. And then I'm going to come across right next to it, right here, and draw the same thing. Draw another circle. There, so now that my eye's in, we need to draw her big smile. So I am going to come nice and low and wider than the eyes. I'll say about right here. I'm just going to start and I'm going to drag a point across since I'm drawing pretty big. About right here. So I'm just kind of trying to center as best as I can. And then from there with these 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a big curve. Wide curve, so towards about here's the center, and then I'm going to go right back up to my curve. There, just giving her a big smile, and I'll cap it off. Okay, so now that that big curve in, I'm going to need to frame her face. So I'll use my smile as my guide. I'm going to use this point, come out, say about right here. Same thing here, come out. Now we're going to start to draw a big curve around the smile. So let's go ahead and just going to curve around the smile to start to draw the face. So let's bring this down. So I'm going to say about this, her chin area, I'm going to give myself a point, say about right here. Go ahead and connect my curve. So definitely need to turn my body to make it easier for me to get to this point. And I just made a mess. Should turn this way. Okay, so same thing, let's go back up. Just want to draw this round head. Okay, there, finally got my curve in. And then now that we have that, let's come over here and we need to draw an ear. So I'm just going to pop in a curve for an ear. And we're just stopping there because we're imagining this curve is going up. And we're going to get to the eye area. Let's bring it in to about right there. So I'm just going to drag this point across. Say, just going to draw a curve. So about right here. Just want to connect the curve to here. So just like my other Peanuts character drawings, their heads are always just this big ovalish circle. Okay, so now that we have that, let's we need to draw this big poof of hair right on this top. So just keep that in mind. We're just going to draw it in this space right here. I'm going to start about right here, and we're just going to loop a bunch of big curves. So this one's going to come down close to the eye. And I'm going to loop up, down, and I'm going to go up again. And then right about here, go out and loop. And so we're just going to create this mound of these loops that we're creating. And let's see how many. One more. And bring it in. There. Okay, so don't worry too much. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine, but you just want to create this big mound of hair with loops. And then for even more detail, you can come in here, and I believe there's like even more of them. Let's see. Just going to need to create this kind of messy look. there, just to create more detail inside. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw, let's finish off her head. So whatever space you have left, just finish her curve. And same thing here. There. You just make sure that the hair is kind of right over the eyes. So just bring it down. Okay, now that we have that, we need to make her look like Sally, right? So let's draw the rest of her hair. I'm going to come out about right here nice and high, and I'm going to bring out a curve pointing upwards. And then we're going to give it a little point right here and bring it down around her ears. And we're just going to bring it down to about right here. So I'm just going to give it a little strand, pop it up a little bit, wobble, and then bring it in. So on the other side, same thing. So about right here, go up, and once again, we're going to come down, and about right here, you just give a little zigzag and bring it in. There, so we have her hair in, and then I believe there's like some lines right here for some detail. And that is pretty much for her head. So then now let's draw her cute little body. So we're going to come right in the center. We give her a neck, bring out 2 angle lines. Then I'm going to connect it with a V. Now that I have this V, I'm going to extend this one down. And this one's going to go up to draw her collar. So I'm just going to hook it back. And same thing here. And hook it back. And then we're going to give her a tiny little shoulder right here and here. And then we're going to bring out curve for her dress. So bring it down a little bit more. Right here and here, and then connect it with a curve. There. And then now that we have that, let's go out. We're going to pop this part out. So it's just like Lucy, I think, right? Lucy's in blue and Sally is in pink. So then just connect her skirt right here. And then let's see, then let's go down, find your center, go straight down right about here. We're going to go down, come to the sides on both sides for the legs. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect upwards. So same thing here. Then let's bring this down a little bit more, and then we're going to pop this out and come down for her shoe. Very simple shoe. So I'm going to pop this up a little bit more. Okay, so same thing here. Straight across, about right there. Okay, now that we have that, we need to draw some laces. So I'm just going to come right here and squiggle. And same thing here, squiggle. And then some socks. Right here, wobble 2 lines for the socks. And then her sleeves. So we're going to come back about right here. And we're going to poof out some sleeves about right there. Give it a little bit of cuff. And then her arms are just going to go behind her back. So we're going to come right here and then just curve in. So same thing over here. Just poof it out, just like the other side. Then a little cuff, and then the arms tucked behind. There. Okay, and then now for some details. She has a bunch of polka dots on her dress. There's even, I think, some crease lines right here. So I'll just draw that in real quick. And then let's draw in a bunch of dots. But before I draw in all the dots, I'm going to come right here and make one of my dots a heart to make her my Draw So Cute Sally. And then I'm going to go ahead and just start drawing a bunch of dots just to fill up this space. And I just realized before I go, I forgot her other ear. So let's come right across about right here, and we're gonna pop out a curve. My goodness, I knew something was missing, right? And now we're done, I think, I hope. That is pretty much it for my drawing here of Sally Brown from Peanuts. I really hope you love how she turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.